To be prayed in the morning, Goddess Mother Saraswati. Dear students, good morning. Today I am taking your passive voice. In passive voice, there are 8 tenses which are changed as present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect, past indefinite, past continuous, past perfect, future indefinite and future perfect. I am taking your first tense, that is present indefinite. There are 3 types of sentences containing singular number, plural number and I as subject. First I am taking where there is singular number. The gardener waters the plant. The plant is watered by the gardener. Actually, in this is with singular, are with plural and am with pronoun I. Next, the gardener waters the plants. The plants are watered by the gardener. This is plural number. Next, the teacher teaches me. I am taught by the teacher. This is pronoun I. With pronoun I, there is use of am. In present continuous, again, I'll take all these 3 types of subjects containing singular number subject, plural number subject and I. Next, in present continuous singular number, the teacher is teaching the student. The student is being taught by the teacher. Next, the teacher is teaching the students. The students are being taught by the teacher. Next, the teacher is teaching me. I am being taught by the teacher. This is your present continuous tense. In present perfect tense, there are 2 helping verbs, has been, have been. Has been with singular, have been with plural. The teacher has taught the student. The student has been taught by the teacher. The teacher has taught the students. The students have been taught by the teacher. The teacher has taught me. I have been taught by the teacher. Now I come at past indefinite. In past indefinite, there are 2 helping verbs. Was with singular, were with plural. The teacher taught the student. The student was taught by the teacher. The teacher taught the students. In plural, the students were taught by the teacher. The teacher taught me. I was taught by the teacher. Now taking your past continuous tense. In past continuous tense, helping verbs, was being, were being. It's to be noted that in passive voice sentences we use always third form of the main verb. In past continuous, the teacher was teaching the student. The student was being taught by the teacher. The teacher was teaching the students. The students were being taught by the teacher. The teacher was teaching me. I was being taught by the teacher. Actually, this is your past continuous. Now taking your past perfect tense. In past perfect tense, there is only 1 helping verb, had been. The teacher taught the student, past indefinite. The teacher was teaching the student, past continuous. And teacher had taught the student, past perfect. The student had been taught by the teacher. In plural, the teacher had taught the students. The students had been taught by the teacher. The teacher had taught me. I had been taught by the teacher. Now I come at future tense. In future indefinite, with I and we use shall, and with all other subjects we use will. But in passive voice, we use in future indefinite shall be and will be. Shall be with I and we, will be with all other subjects. As the teacher will teach the student will be taught by the teacher. The teacher will teach me. I shall be taught by the teacher. The teacher will teach the students. The students will be taught by the teacher. There is no change in future continuous tense. In future perfect, will have been, shall have been. Example, the teacher will have taught the student. The student will have been taught by the teacher. The teacher will have taught me. I shall have been taught by the teacher. The teacher will have taught the students. The students will have been taught by the teacher. Actually, these are 8 tenses where there is change of active voice sentences into passive. There are 4 tenses. Of these 4 tenses, there will not be any change in active voice sentence into passive voice. These tenses are present perfect continuous tense, past perfect continuous tense, future perfect continuous tense, and future continuous tense. Dear students, again I am taking your helping verbs tense wise. In present indefinite, is with singular, are with plural, am with pronoun I. In present continuous, is being, are being, am being. In present perfect tense, has been, have been. In past indefinite, was, were. In past continuous, was being, were being. In past perfect, had been. In future indefinite, will be, shall be. In future perfect, will have been, shall have been. Again, there is no change in 4 tenses: present perfect continuous tense, past perfect continuous tense, future perfect continuous tense, and future continuous tense. Dear students, I think if you listen this video carefully, you may understand these tenses properly, systematically. You may gain perfection in passive voice of these 8 tenses. In making this video, Mr. Naveen Vasist, PGT Commerce, has cooperated a lot, so I say thanks to him and thank you very much to you all. Thanks.